When you import static meshes to Unreal Engine, they don't always come with colliders. So in this video I will show you how you can enable colliders on static meshes. First, select the static mesh, then double click on the icon next to static mesh and you will open a different tab. Now you can look at the static mesh right here, but at the top you have collision and then you can select different collisions which suits the object the best. So in this example, if I select a capsule, you see a collision coming around it, but you see immediately that it doesn't have the right collision, because this one is too tall and too wide. So you can remove collision again, and this one is best suited for a box simplified collision. So you see this one just wraps around the object nicely. So this is the one that I'm going to select. Then there are more options right here down below next to collision. And right next to collision presets, you can choose for the default one, which will enable the collision. Or if you just want to enable some things or disable other things, like for example, ignore only pawn. So my pawn right here can just go through it, but I set this back to default as is. And right now, when I just go back to my level, I see I cannot go through it anymore because the collision is enabled. This is how you enable collisions in Unreal Engine 5.